Hey guys, in today's video, I will rank the best business models that will bring you as quick as possible to the 10K per month in 2026. The landscape is changing quickly, so you need to adapt quickly. Okay, let's start with the first one. So, the first one that I want to talk about is a personal brand, building a personal brand. I think this was huge in the last few years, and still people are doing this at this date. But I think it's becoming a little bit tougher and tougher because the algorithms changes, so many creators are starting their personal brand that I think this is not the easiest way to get to the 10K per month because you need to have a huge following, not maybe the hugest one, but you need to have at least a decent following. You need to have systems, you need to make a shit ton of content, and you need to learn how to monetize this. So I think this is not the best business model to start, but I think it's really good to document what you're doing. So what I would do is I would put this at a B tier because I think this is not the way to go to get as soon as possible to a 10K per month. So the second one on the list is running a AI and automation agency. This one right now is popping off like crazy because AI is completely booming, and in 2026 AI will only become bigger and bigger. So I think this is really smart to start because I think this is different than just, for example, freelancing, where you just maybe do this for some other people. No, you really build a big agency with packages with 5K retainers, 10K per month retainers. I would literally just come up with a 5K retainer program that you can just sell to different businesses to automate a shit ton for their operational stuff and maybe save them at least 20K in cost. So if you would tell people, I will save you 20K per month in cost by just automating it and I will charge 5K for it, this is easy. Only 2 clients and then boom, you're there. So I think I will put this at the first S tier because I think this will be huge in 2026. So the next one on the list is creating a Skool community. In 2025, this popped off like a maniac because, of course, Alex Hormozy's book launch as well. It went bananas. Like he did like what 100 million plus in just a few days selling his book, and everyone in the book has a QR code to start its free Skool community, which is insane. I have a Skool community as well, as you guys probably know, the Freedom Achievers community, where I teach people how to make 1K per day in 90 days with only Google Ads dropshipping. And as you guys can see, we have 467 members and we charge $200 a month. So I think this is still a S tier program, and I will tell you why. Because if you take a look at it, AI is coming up like crazy, right? In 2026, this will be huge. In 2026, everything will be AI related. But one thing AI cannot replace is human connection. Human connection is what people really crave at the moment because everyone is lost. Everyone is an individual. Everyone is selfish right now. Everyone is just behind their desk, behind the laptop. They want to have human connection. AI cannot replace this. This is why Sam Ovens is betting so huge on Skool. And I think, to be honest, it's an S tier. When I launched my first Skool community last year, May, in the first month, we did already 11K. I had no personal brand. I had no following. I had just had a great product. That's it. So make sure when you create a Skool community, you have an outcome that you can promise, like I have, make 1K per day in 90 days using only Google Ads dropshipping. And that's literally how you do it. If you want to create your first own Skool community, I even have a free trial link for you in the description. And if you want to join Freedom Achievers, this will also be in the description, okay? So the next one up on the list is a software company or a service as a software, SaaS. This is what all people, especially the men, crave to have later because people know that there is a big multiple in here. But to be honest, the money is indeed made on the multiple with the exit. During or creating a software, it's really expensive. So cash flow will be almost zero because you need to reinvest a shit ton of money into the company. So I definitely put this at a D tier. This will not make you the quickest 10K a month. Like, no, that will not be possible. Maybe if you create an AI tool, but then you need to have a personal brand, then you need to have outreach, it will be crazy. But a SaaS, like a really decent SaaS, like Skool, that's Sam Ovens built this, I believe, the first 8 years, and it was not profitable. And then Alex Hormozy came in, blah 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 blah, and it became profitable. But yeah, this is not the way to go to make your first 10K per month. I think there are better ones. So the next one is creating an online course. Of course, we have seen Iman Gaji doing this in the info space, 100 million plus. Info businesses are really, really popping off right now, especially because of Skool and also WOP and all these other platforms that you can host your course on. I think it's an amazing business model, to be honest. But you need to have a lot more patience because creating a good product, creating a good course is not something you will do instantly. I think if you create a course, yes, you can hit like your first 10K month pretty easily. But then if your product is really, really shit, then your 10K per month will be gone pretty quickly. So I will put this at A tier because I think still people crave information. I still think the old school system is outdated. I think there are great courses on there. If you even host your course on Skool and add a community on there, then man, that's the way to print. Okay. So the next one is of course Shopify, dropshipping, ecom, especially just as ecom in general. I think this is still one of the best business models to start with. Why? Because you learn all the fundamentals of marketing, HR, recruitment, sales, finance, everything will be in here. But I think this is way bigger than just a random side hustle. This business is a real big business. I think getting as quick as possible to the first 10K per month. What we teach is making your first 1K day in 90 days. So I think, is this the quickest? Not. Is it one of the best ones? Yes, I really love this business partner model, especially if you only do this with Google Ads. Okay, so I do ecom myself. I only run Google Ads to my business, and as you guys can see, last Sunday we generated 6.5K, and even now recording this video, I'm already 1.6K up. So I'm only running Google Ads, and as you guys can see, I have time to make these YouTube videos because it's really passive. But is it the fastest way? I don't think so, but it comes really, really close. So if you want to make some money with ecom, check the link below and you will see how to do it. Okay. So the next one is being a UGC creator. The funny thing is, UGC creator, I thought, especially 4 years ago when I just started to pop off, this was an easy way to make a lot of money because brands were giving you a lot of money for this. Creators were charging a lot of money for making these videos. And this was actually what the brands really needed. Now, to be honest, I think it comes close to a D or C tier. Why? I have seen so many crazy AI tools popping off because they make AI generated UGC, which is insane. So I think this will not be especially in 2026, this will not be the way to go. I think it will still be a little bit quicker than software if you do it correctly, because the AI, yes, it is nice, but it still needs some adjustments. So if you're being a good creator, I still think you can make some good amount of money. But especially if the years evolve and AI comes in more and more, I think the UGC creators will die off. Now I want to talk about copywriting. Back in the days, I was really bullish on copywriting. This was one of the first skills that I learned when I started dropshipping, and I thought this is so big because I believe like Dan Locke on YouTube, especially, he was teaching how much money you can make as a high-ticket copywriter, and indeed, you could charge a lot of money for like email writing, blog writing, sales scripts, etc. But now again, with AI, this is all being replaced. So I think this will be the same. It's a C tier. I think it's still a good skill to learn. So you make sure that if you have this skill, you will see that the AI still does not write how it should be. So you can tweak it. But if you don't know how to tweak it, I think AI still does 80% of the job. You just, as a copywriter, add 20% to it, especially now with the AI copywriting tools. It's done. So I think copywriting as a business model, it's not the best one. So the next one on the list is crypto trading, maybe holding, especially just crypto in general. Crypto has been booming the last few years, especially 2025 now. It's a hot topic. It's a hot topic. I really see why financial systems are cracking. I think the financial system will get a big reset in the next coming years, and I only can see that Bitcoin, etc., goes up. So I don't know. You need to have a little bit of money to make money with this, because Bitcoin will not, for example, if you buy $50 of Bitcoin today, you will hit your first 10K month. No, that's not possible. So you need to have some money. So this is why I would put it in B tier. But I will see, and I know that crypto will be crazy in the next few years, more and more, even with the pump and dump stuff, even with the crazy meme coins that you can make, and this kind of stuff. But it takes a lot of time. You need to be in the trenches 24/7. You need to be on the news 24/7. You need to snipe all these hidden gems that are out there. But I think if you have the time on your hands, just with creating a personal brand, and you will read the charts every minute, you can make a good amount of money with crypto in 2026. Okay, the next one on the list is Freelancing. Why did I put it in here? Well, first of all, you have your 9 to 5 job, which is just trading like your time for money every month again and again, and you don't have any freedom. If you want to have some freedom, then of course freelancing comes in. You're just being a freelancer. But this is why I still think this is a good business model or just a good thing to do. If you're sick and tired of your 9 to 5, the first thing you can do is just do freelancing, find some like entrepreneurs that have big problems or businesses that have problems and solve these problems for like a fee. But normally what I see where it goes wrong freelancing is still being charged per hour, which is still charging your time for money, which that's not the way to go. So if you would do this, I would literally change this to a AI agency or any kind of agency that's scalable and that you're not involved in the operations 24/7. So this is not scalable freelancing. So I will put this at a C tier because I think, yes, it will bring you close to the 10K per month. But when you're doing 10K per month with freelancing, normally you're stuck with all this work, which is crazy. The next one that I want to discuss is TikTok Shop in 2025. Man, I wish I was born in the US because I think this is a really great business model. And I've seen so many TikTok Shop creators. So this is what I'm talking about. It's about TikTok Shop creators, not about the TikTok Shop brands. The TikTok Shop creators are just printing money, which is crazy because brands need to have content. They don't want to hire content creators because these are expensive, like I told you, with the UGC creators. So they want to have affiliates on the platform, which is insane. So if you're able to have a phone and you create a TikTok account with 5K followers, you can literally just do this. So I call this still a S tier program because I think this business model will easily bring you to 10K a month. And I think in 2026, still people are looking for human content instead of the AI content. So I think I'm still big bullish on this. The only thing that maybe can change is so many people now are becoming a creator. So many brands are coming onto TikTok Shop. So TikTok Shop will be less um like more saturated for the brands as well. So I think this is just a platform that's now big in a big hype, but I don't know if this will survive for the next few years. Next one on the list is affiliate marketing. You just literally sell other people's products. So for example, for Freedom Achievers, we have a affiliate marketing system where you get 50% recurring if you just bring in new members, which is insane. 50% recurring is $100 per month. So you can literally run ads for Freedom Achievers if you want to. And then of course, if your cost per acquisition is $30, you get $100 from Freedom Achievers per month, which is really, really good. So I think I really love this business model, but then you need to find good offers, first of all. And secondly, you need to know how to market. And before you know how to run ads, how to do marketing and this kind of stuff, I think this will be a B tier because this can only be now interesting for people that already have the skills or have the following. So if you have a huge personal brand, for example, then it's pretty simple to do some affiliate marketing. But then I would tell these personal brand dudes, man, make your own product because then you have 100% of the margin instead of like 30% commission. So I think affiliate marketing is still huge, especially if you don't like, for example, the dropshipping, the fulfillment yourself and the recruitment. The affiliate marketing, you can now do this for example, Shopify brands, which is pretty decent. But it has a longer learning curve. So this is why I put it at a B tier. And last but not least, real estate. Of course, everyone is talking about real estate and just having money in real estate, which makes you rich, just like Grant Cardone. But as you guys can see, Grant Cardone has also a lot of info products and he prints money with his courses and just his sales as well, which is insane. I had real estate as well. I still have real estate here in Portugal. I'm back in the Netherlands. I had it as well. And I can tell you, yes, you can make 10K a month passively with real estate. I would not say maybe passively because the first few months that I was searching for my real estate, I was 24/7 on websites just looking for deals, calling brokers. It was insane. And then I finally got my first deal and I believe it brought in 1.2 or 1.3K a month. So then I needed to have at least 5 or 6 of them to make 10K per month. And then it becomes a lot of management. So I really put it as a D tier. This is not the way to go to your first 10K month. I think you can literally just use this cash for anything else that's better on this list. So again, if you are interested in making money in 2026, just look at something at the S or the A tier. If you want to make your first Skool community, I have a link below. You guys can literally just create your Skool community and just print money with it because I think this is one of the best business models. And of course, if you want to go for the big numbers, because of course, if you want to make a lot of money, then I won't go for the A tier. And this is for me, Google Ads dropshipping. That's what we teach. So if you want to make your first 1K day in 90 days using only Google Ads for your dropshipping store, link is below. And if you're wondering how Google Ads dropshipping can change your life completely, I made this video explaining exactly how Google Ads dropshipping changed my life in 3 months' time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.